Well, let's do these ones. As we can see, the first thing we see is that it's like pink, okay, or purpley. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is change a bit the temperature. Help us with this. Our waveform, no, parade, to help us a bit out. Yeah, something like this is a bit more equal. If I look at the, yeah, something like this. I'm also gonna change the tint. So changing the tint, you see, I already solved that thing of this color here, and the temperature, obviously. And now try even to touch again the temperature. The red is too high, so midtones, red, green, midtones of green, we wanna just take them here, or better than the midtones, highlights probably. No, or the offset. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so that's how it was, and that's how it is now, which is color balance. Okay, now another thing, there's these highlights that are maybe too much, so highlights a bit down. No, because it's already, sometimes there's images that there's highlights, and if you try to touch the highlights, it's just gonna mess it up a lot, you know. So we always use the help of the waveform. This is the maximum you can get probably. Yeah, like here is the maximum you can get. But now again, we need to touch a bit the shadows, just turn them up a bit, okay? So we don't lose information. Also, these highlights that are probably too white, if we wanna, we could also try to change it a bit, the color. Okay, put it a bit more blue. Okay, this, but this, if we want to, this make like a LUT or something, okay? So Command S, and now we're gonna try to create something more interesting. Okay, it could be a bit with this touch of blue, and I'm just touching the offset, or could be with a touch like this. I don't like it like this, or more green, or this one. Okay, whichever. I think I'm gonna go for a bit of blue, because I also think that it suits better in the full thing. Maybe with the highlights only. Yeah, something like this. Now, another one. I'm gonna just bring the saturation a bit down now. Okay, so saturation just a bit down. And in this one, I'm gonna try for a color boost at the same time. Okay, saturation down, but color boost a bit higher up. And yeah, it looks already better than it was. Okay, before was like this, and now it's like this. It's softer, everything is softer. This was too much. Now it's like this. Okay, even though it's a bit too green maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and just change the tint. No. Okay, now color boost, mid details. Just gonna put a bit more mid details. As you can see, we have more details. Here, the highlights, I'm gonna bring them down a bit. Now I have a bit more space to bring them down. Okay, so it's not as bright, this part of the screen. But yes, this would be it. So now I have this style, more or less. I'm gonna even make it more exaggerated now. I'm gonna create another one. And I'm gonna even go for more contrast. Okay, to make this style a bit more exaggerated, a bit more contrast, not a lot more. Change a bit now the tint again. Okay, something like this. The midtones, put it more here. No, highlights. Yeah, a bit this, like this yellow. Okay, and I'm gonna bring the saturation a bit down. So something like this. Maybe a bit more like this orange, or we can even try to make it like this. Okay,